guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
What is today?
Republic Day.
Repo-
Republic Day.
Good. So what shall we do today?
Yeah, fun.
Let's make a flag.
Yeah.
What all we need to make a flag?
The papers and scissors and glue and scissors and glue.
Okay. So shall we make a flag?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's make it.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. We got the paper.
So what are the colors? Can you tell the colors in the flag?
Orange, blue, and white, and green.
So what is this blue one? This is called Ashoka Chakra, right? Yes. Yes. Shall we make a flag?
Yeah.
Let's start. Take the scissor. Take the paper. Okay. Yeah. You know. Yep. Yes. So what are the colors? Now place this Ashoka Chakra. Where it goes Ashoka Chakra? Center of the flag. In which color? Which color it goes? Put the blue here. Let's put it. Let's put it. Now center, Abhi, center. We need to keep in center. Look at that one. Yes, center. Good job, buddy. Center on white. Good job. And another one, yes, and on side here, back of it. No, you have to keep another one here. Show your flag. Show your flag. Yeah. Good, like that. Yeah, see, that's cool. Let's finish the rest of them. Good job. Good job. Adhya, show your flag. Yeah. See, you didn't put it in center. You should keep it in center, right? Yes. Oh, that's wrong. It's okay. Let's take it off. Okay. So now we got flag. What should we do now? We need to host this flag, right? And we need to sing JanaGana Mana. Okay? Shall we do it? Let's do it!
JanaGana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata पञ्जाब सिन्ध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गङ्गा विन्ध्य हिमाचल यमुना गङ्गा उच्चल जलधि तरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मङ्गलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Yes.
What's yellow?
Yeah, run. Let's see.
This one.
Yeah, run this side. Run this side.